here we are. This is the Valentine's collection. I will show you what they have, each collection, what goes with it, and also the parts that kind of go with both. Okay, so let's dive in. So here basically they have two collections. One is more on the red side, which is this one, but it does have some pink, and the other one is the other way around. So for all of them, they have the 12 by 12, the 6 by 6, and the slim line. So let's just flip through quickly so you see the paper. This one is called Hello Valentine. So let me just quickly flip through. So this one, as you see, is very red and white based. Love this. Oh, and they all have, this time they always have some kind of acetate. This black and white here is actually acetate, see? So it's transparent. And there are a few pages that are acetate as well. So some glimmer here. Oh, this one is acetate too. Let me just show you. It's kind of hard here. Oh no, that's not the one. This is the next one, this one. So here, you see, this is actually acetate. So they have glimmer, they have regular cardstock, and they have acetate. There you are. Some more hearts. I'll show you the other one next, but I want to show the whole collection. So for each one of these collections, they have a whole bunch of things. So let me just show you. This one is stickers. So red stickers. They have some garland. So this is made of, it's a very thick fabric. So little garlands. They have some glitter. Very red, great for our shakers. Some cutouts, hearts, stickers. So they have a sticker book. Let me show you more lips. This one goes with both, but it's more on the red side, see? Well, it kind of goes with both, actually. Some of the material they have now of the collection goes with both. This is my favorite one. It's stickers, and it's some little tiny envelopes. I love it. Takes a while, as you know, to make those envelopes. And ephemera packs. So these are the ephemera packs that go with this collection, and they also have these waxing kits. So this one has red, and I'll show you the other collection with the pink. So basically this one has the lips, see? So it comes the whole kit with a little bit of these confettis. They're little hearts. And the other one, they have actually two. This one comes with a heart, and the same with the red, and they have the whole kit and a little bit more of those golden leaves. So that's the red, more like a red collection. Let's look at the other one. So here's the pink one, if that's your thing. I think I like the red one better, but last year I went into pink. So let me just flip through quickly. I'll go closer here. And again, it has some pages like this with the hearts here that are acetate, so it's transparent. See? So it's acetate, some glitter. This one is glitter. It's more like a white. And then they come back again with the pattern paper. Oh, I like this one. Whoops, glitter again. Then love. I actually like this pink one. It's really, really nice. And I love the acetate ones that come with it. So, you know, you choose your favorite. And this one also comes, of course, with the 6 by 6, the slim line. And let me show you all the add-ons. So again, we have the sealing wax with pink. And this one is actually my favorite because it says love. I didn't like the lips very much, and the heart I didn't either, but this one is really nice. I like the seal. Let me show you oh, I love this. These are some more stickers. So there you are. These are like very, you have a lot of height here. So they're not puffy, but they have some, they are, yeah, they have like 3 or 4 layers. So this is a little bit more of ephemera, just some little hearts that are very pink. More hearts that are pink right here, some more stickers. These looks like, they actually look like origami hearts, but very nice. We have some little tiny hearts, which I love. These are they look like animal dots because they do have some height too. They're kind of thick. I love it. And you get a lot of here. It's 120. I love these. These are little flowers. More on the pink side as well. We have loads of glitter for our shaker cards. So glitter and some confettis. This one goes with both because you have red and you have pink. You have little X's and O's and some love too. And the ephemera pack. It's very nice. It has 24 pieces. So 3 bags. I like this heart here. Let me show you. There you go. So this is what goes. There is way much more, and I will show you now what kind of goes with everything. Because some of it is more on the pink side to go with this collection, and some is more on the red side. But I'll show you the rest now. So here's something that I hadn't seen before. So they have these kits with little stamps, really nice, like Happy Valentine's, Be Mine, Be Kind, Kiss Me, Love, and Made with Love. So one is more on the red for the first collection. And the other one, I really like the pink one. So it's good for like tags and little ephemera that you can make yourself. So very nice. I hadn't seen this kind of kit before. So that's worth showing. Now let me show you the rest of the collection. So here we are. Here's something that I really love. You guys know I have a dog, so I really like these sticker books. They have like 2 or 3 sticker books this year. These little ones I already showed you. So I'll just quickly go through everything that's on display here so you can see and make your choices. There's some more garlands with pompons, a lot of twine. These are the kits for the waxing. I really like these ones here because they're made of wood. More hearts. They have hearts, as I said, they have some hearts that go with both collections. So here they are. Some more die cuts. Hearts everywhere. The garland that I already showed you. I believe I showed you these two here. So I like this. They have, that's another sticker book. Hearts of all kinds. The ephemera. Some more hearts here. So guys, no lack of hearts at Michael's. I really like these ones here because they're like shakers. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you have a Michael's near your house. Thank you so much and I'll see you in my next video.